Welcome to AKKO's guest house, and you can find the direct booking link in the description below or by scanning the QR code on your screen right now. If you are looking for a stay that prioritizes ease, accessibility, and genuine value, you have landed in the right place. AKKO's guest house is designed specifically for travelers who want to skip the complicated hotel formalities and get straight to enjoying their trip. We understand that travel schedules can be unpredictable, which is why one of our most important features is our 24-hour front desk service. Whether your flight lands in the middle of the night or you find yourself running late after a long day of sightseeing, there will always be someone here to check you in, answer your questions, or help you settle in. You never have to worry about rushing to meet a check-in deadline. For those traveling by car or planning a road trip, we take the stress out of urban navigation by providing free parking for all our guests. Finding a safe and affordable place to leave your vehicle can often be one of the most frustrating parts of traveling, but at AKKO's guest house, that is one less expense and one less headache you have to manage. This makes us an ideal choice for both solo explorers and families who prefer the flexibility of having their own transport. Our focus is on providing a practical, comfortable environment where you can recharge without paying for unnecessary luxury bells and whistles that you simply won't use. We provide the essentials done right: a clean, welcoming space, reliable service, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing the basics are fully covered. It is straightforward, efficient, and highly cost-effective. Whether you are stopping by for a single night or staying for a longer duration, we aim to make your transition from the road to your room as seamless as possible. We handle the logistics so you can focus on your journey. When you are ready to secure your room and take advantage of our convenient location and amenities, please scan the QR code on the screen or click the booking link in the description to finalize your reservation.